Have you ever hit play on what seems like an innocent clip, only to feel your own camera feed turn more terrifying with every second? Today, we're diving headfirst into a series of real moments that began as simple recordings and ended up fueling pure nightmare fuel. In this chilling footage, you see a woman about to enter her home alongside her husband. Right behind her, a man brandishing a weapon sprints toward her. Luckily, she managed to slam the door shut just as he reached for it. Without that split-second reflex, this could have turned into a tragedy. A man calmly approaches the doorbell camera, when out of nowhere, a snake lunges straight at his face. It's one of those moments that makes you both laugh and shiver at the same time. In this video, you'll see a man start licking a home's doorbell. As time goes on, he becomes more and more passionate and drawn to it. This happened in California, and the person licked the doorbell for 3 hours straight. What do you think? Should it be disinfected before anyone else uses it? The next clip is truly spectacular. A doorbell camera in Alberta, Canada, captures a meteor streaking across the sky. The 2018 footage is so clear, you can see the meteor breaking apart mid-air. Did you know a gram of meteorite can fetch around $10? You might be tempted to start hunting for your own cosmic fragments. Two men show up at a house door, and luckily, the homeowner isn't inside. On their first try, they yank at the doorknob, and one of them spots the camera. Oh shit, there's a camera! Then they bolt. 1 minute later, they return, this time determined to break the door down. The homeowner flips on the speaker and scolds them, and they run off again, looking like amateurs. The footage went online, and the police quickly identified and arrested both suspects. A terrifying clown creeps up on the doorbell camera at night, as if trying to break in. At one point, he seems to realize he's being recorded and flees in a panic. A short but bone-chilling clip. What looks like an alien appears one evening on the doorbell camera. It seems to be just a Halloween prank. What do you think? Do you believe in extraterrestrials? This man, wearing a TV set as a head, has been roaming people's homes. He's been spotted at over 50 residences. Not only does he visit each property, but he also leaves an old television on their porch every time. He's most likely just a prankster. If you're thinking of copying him, I'd advise against it. You could end up in trouble with the police. In 2017, a doorbell camera captured a devastating blaze. The footage shows the dream house across the street completely engulfed in flames, while terrified neighbors rush to move their cars to safety. Suddenly, a rogue ember flies straight at the camera lens and ignites the hedge below. One neighbor springs into action with a garden hose, dousing the burning shrub before it can spread further. The homeowner, who wasn't even home at the time, frantically tries to communicate through the doorbell speaker. Thanks to the quick response of that neighbor, the fire was extinguished before it could cause even more damage. A woman left her car unlocked overnight, parked in front of her house, only to wake up to a break-in and the theft of several personal items. A few hours later, the same suspect shows up on the doorbell cam, attempting to unlock her front door with the very key ring he stole. Fortunately for our victim, the stolen keys did not include her house key. Imagine what could have happened if he'd gained access to her home. In 2022, this man approaches a house at the dead of night, knocks on the door, taps the threshold, then walks away immediately. His behavior is extremely strange, and we may never know what he was really up to. That wraps up our collection of terrifying doorbell camera moments. If these clips gave you chills, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. Drop a comment below and tell us which clip scared you the most.